Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mike Davenport, Louisville's Chevy Dude here at Bachman Chevrolet. I'm shooting on my new camera, so if there's a little wind in it, I apologize. It's pretty windy today. I've got some things coming to try to kill that wind a little bit, but hey, Corvette has got a brand new paint shop. And I wanted to show you on this Long Beach red metallic car that has got a lot of pigment in it, a lot of metallic in it, to see what your opinion on is, especially if you're a Corvette owner, if they've changed anything. Now, I've looked over this car really well. I've got my own personal opinion. I'm gonna save that for after this video gets some views and get some comments and opinions on what you think, if anything, has changed on GM's paint quality in the Corvette plant with after spending billions of dollars on that new paint shop. So as already stated, this is 2018 Grand Sport in Long Beach red metallic, the same as my personal 2016 Corvette that is in Long Beach red metallic. So I'm going to show you around. It's really awesome on the Long Beach red metallic, which I've shown this before. So if you look above, you'll see that little icon popping up with my personal car I did in my driveway. So here we are a couple years later, a little over two and a half years later. I'm going to show you the differences on the car. So one big difference is the color, in my opinion, did change. Again, right above, you'll see the differences between my car and this particular car. But that's not what this is about. This is about the color correction on the car. You know, a lot of people spend a lot of money on color correction and stuff like that. And I gotta say, I told you I wasn't gonna give you my opinion on this. I want to hear your opinions down below. But let's look in here where the sun is. So we're looking for any orange peel. We're looking for any imperfections in the paint. And I think this camera does a really good job of picking stuff up. It's a really sunny day in here, and I think I may have to throw my opinion out there. There is not as much orange peel in this car as there used to be. See if I can get this way with that sun, see if I can get that sun out of there, get some shadow in there. So we get up really close, get that sun out of there. You can see that's a mark from cleaning, but you can see that there is not a whole lot of orange peel in here. I'm doing the best I can with the conditions that I have. If I put this inside, I'm not gonna really get good quality. I've already tried it out, and this is probably the best way to do it outside. I think seeing the lines and seeing my awesome face and the vehicle helps out with that I think that the orange peel is kind of gone and how much it is. So this has not been paint corrected. This has not been touched up. This has only been touched by the factory and dealership employees. And I think as many Corvette communities I'm in and how many Corvette people I talk to, I think it's always a pretty solid opinion that dealership employees don't clean cars really well. And kind of point that out, that was on there prior to this car getting cleaned. I sent it down to get it clean, and you can see that it's not exactly the cleanest car. They didn't even wipe off that 764 icon. So let's go back here. I'm trying to stay a little bit of some shadow from me, and then also get some sun in there as well. And I showed this on my car as well, and you can kind of go up to that video and kind of look at the difference between my car brand new and this car brand new. Now this car has sat outside and got a little bit of rain on it, but nothing, it hasn't been here but maybe a week or so, so nothing too crazy. So coming up here to the target top, you know, again, you can kind of see the Marriott building. You can see it off there. I'll go to the hood. You can see that reflection really well. So again, nothing that we've done here at the dealership. It's all factory and just plain and washed and wiped down with the dealership employees. So we're gonna come over here where it's all shaded 100% from the sun, from the way I positioned this car. And again, you can see back here, you can see my hand pop in there now. You can see real well. You can see the outline of the car. You can see the shadow of the car. I mean, you can see the lines on the road. I mean, you can see everything really good. And I think that's a good indication that this paint shop has done a better job. And like I said, not a whole lot of orange peel. This car, this camera is not picking up some of the orange peel that I see in person, and maybe when this is off of my screen of the camera that I can see that a little bit better on the computer, on the phone when you're viewing it on YouTube. But there isn't a whole lot of orange peel in there. I can still see some, but nowhere near the amount that I think there used to be. I'll kind of get real close into here. You can kind of see my reflection in the camera. I mean, you can see the word Canon really good, and there's a bin right here, so that's gonna affect the way that that Canon looks right here, as you can see. So again, not a whole lot of negative things. So I'm focusing over here on this van that's right behind me. Yeah, it's a Honda minivan, so you can see that. So here's the mirror. Here's the back fender. We'll see what that looks like. So you're going to see some distortion here because of the curvature of the car, but just trying to get right up in there just to kind of show you of how much there's a flat spot there, of how much they really did a good job on changing that paint plan. That maybe that $1 billion paint plan did help out. So we're gonna come to the back here again, kind of looking into the car. I'm into the sun in front of me, and you can see my reflection off of there. I mean, it looks really good. So now this back panel has got more orange peel on it than anywhere else on the car. So it's kind of interesting. And I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to get right in there. It's really tough to see on camera, but just kind of giving you my opinion on it and what I see. There's a lot of orange peel around this area right here that I can see that really looks pretty similar to the normal GM paint, but it's probably a little bit better. Hope that's not a scratch. Nope. So anyways, there it is. So this car is for sale. I got to put a little pitch in here for you guys, right? So thanks a lot, Mr. Beer Man, Buffalo Trace. Let's guess that's Buffalo Trace. Bourbon is a huge thing here in Kentucky. Let's go to the front here real quick. Got to put a little pitch in here that this car is for sale. This is a 2LT Long Beach red exterior, Kalahari interior. The customer changed his mind on his color. They want to go. So 2LT. What else we got? We got Grand Sport chrome wheels, automatic transmission, and then Long Beach red. That's the only options on here. So you can customize it with the stage 2 if you want to put stage 2 on it. Put stage 2 on the back, all that good stuff, and you can make this car your own. I actually love the Kalahari interior. I would have done Kalahari interior on it, but my wife is the exact opposite and she hates it. So 2LT interior on the car. Not too much, not too little. I think it's positioned just right. So there you have it. Brand new paint shop. $1 billion plus. Was it worth it? Let me see what your opinions are below. And then, because you know us, we pay for that paint shop, right? So, hey, if there's anything I can do for you, we're a top 25 Corvette dealer in the country. I'm one of the top 5, 6 Corvette salesmen in the country. There's a reason for that. I've never lost a deal. Never. Not in 1 ounce since 2013. I've never lost a deal to the #1 Corvette dealer in the world. Never done it. I compete with him all day long, and the person who was going to buy this car was going to go up to there. He didn't buy it. He bought another one in stock instead. So I definitely can help out and be competitive on all prices. So but anyways, reach out to me if there's anything I can do for you. You can shoot me a text right from my website, ChevyDude.com. Anything I can do for you, just reach out. Look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit that bell so you can get all of my notifications on my videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and drive safely.